Imagine holding a daisy flower. You can keep holding it and move around without the petals falling off, yet they come away easily the moment you pull them. That's the perfect balance, strong enough to stay together but weak enough to let go. In my research, I used the exact floral architecture to solve one of the biggest problems that powder formulations for inhalation suffer from. So what is it? For medicine particles to enter the lungs, they should be very fine. This small particle size comes with massive surface energy. Think about it as high levels of anxiety and loneliness. Instead of having individual drug particles freely flowing, easy to handle and process, they tend to stick to each other, forming clusters like caviar, and those clusters get trapped in the inhaler device and the patient gets no medicine. In my research, I solved this by engineering those 3D daisy particles similar to the structure on the right. Unlike the flat garden flower, my particles are 3D, which means for the medicine particles that act like the petals, covering the core carrier particle from all directions and sides, with an attachment that is strong enough to survive the factory processing, but weak enough to let go and fly into the lungs. How do I do this? By using one of the innovative techniques in pharmacy that was found by Aston University, called IDPC, isothermal dry particle coating. In this technique, I want to imagine it as a cake mixer, but instead of using beaters or blades, we use a secret weapon, which is nitrogen air that is being pumped in high-speed streams, acting like mini ninjas, slicing through the clusters, breaking them down, freeing the particles. As the air ninjas strike, the whole system rotates, using centrifugal force to slam the free particles onto the surface of the carrier particle from all directions to get them coated. We keep evaluating the performance of those powder formulations and we keep optimizing them. In my research, it's not about particle engineering only. It's about 300 million people that need to use inhalers and they fight for every breath. By mastering the 3D daisies, we make sure that medicine actually reaches the lungs and saves lives. Also, we ensure that for every patient, a deep life-saving breath is as simple and as certain as a daisy in the wind.